Trading reversals is one of the toughest ways to make money when trading, but with good enough set of rules, a combination of indicators, or generally a good strategy, catching trend reversals can actually be a super efficient way to make money in the markets. In this video, we're gonna explore an indicator that can be used to identify super accurate trend reversal points. We're gonna combine this indicator with one more technical analysis tool to create a strategy that is actually super profitable. If you find value in this video, remember to leave a like. Let's get into it. Now, the main indicator of this strategy is called High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker, or HL OTT for short. To add this indicator to your chart, you first of all need a trading platform. For me, I use TradingView. If you need to sign up, the link for that will be in the video description. Next, you wanna load the 15-minute time frame of GBP/USD, but you're not limited to this. You can choose any other trading security that you like in any time frame. After that, click on Indicators and type in High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker, and you're gonna select this one created by Given. So, the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator is an advanced technical analysis tool that aims to enhance trend identification in the market by using the highest and lowest price values to generate signals. Then, it uses those signals to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. Next, we will explore what this indicator is made of. But before we do that, let's double-click on it so we can change some settings. On the Style tab, change the HOTT color to green and the LOTT color to red. After that, disable the bar colors and then click OK. Now, looking at this indicator, we can see that it's actually really simple. It's composed of three elements. This green line is called the HOTT line, which stands for High Optimized Trend Tracker. This red line is the LOTT line, LOTT meaning Low Optimized Trend Tracker. This whole indicator creates this trend ribbon that traverses the chart and is used to identify bullish and bearish trends in the market. And the way it does that is really simple. Let me show you. So, like here, this was a bullish trend. Now, you may be thinking,
but how do we know it's a bullish trend?
Well, because the price was trading above the trend cloud of the HL OTT indicator. Conversely, a bearish trend is going to be identified whenever the price is consistently trading below this trend cloud. Simple. Now, let's add one more indicator to the chart so we can craft a simple and powerful reversal strategy. On the Indicator Search tab, you want to type in Average Sentiment Oscillator. This one created by Given. Then double-click on it so we can change some settings. On the Style tab, you want to change the first plot color to green. Then leave the second plot color in red. After that, click OK. Next, we're also going to add two horizontal lines, one at the top and one at the bottom of this indicator window. For the top line, you want to double-click on it, then go to Coordinates. Then here, you want to change this number to 70 and change its color to white. Next, double-click on the other line, go to Coordinates, then change the price value to 30. After that, change the color to white, and then click OK. Next, we will go over how we can use these two indicators to take long and short positions. But before we do that, let's talk about the Forex broker called Fintura. I've been using Fintura for quite some time. As you can see here, this is my live account on MT4. Yes, MT4 is the trading platform used by Fintura. The reason why I think Fintura is a great broker is because of their low commissions as well as spreads that go as low as 0.0 pips. They also have a maximum leverage of 1 to 500. You know, for those of us who love high leverage. If all of this isn't enough, they're also going to give you a 100% deposit bonus for all your first deposits of between $100 all the way to $50,000. So if you deposit, say, $5,000, they're gonna give you a bonus of $5,000, which means you're gonna have a total of $10,000 to trade with. To access the bonus as well as all the other perks, sign up to Fintura using the link in the video description. Now, back to the video. So how do we take trades using this simple strategy that we just created? Well, let me show you. To take a long trade, the first condition is to identify a bearish trend. For that, we're going to be using the HL OTT indicator. We need the price to be trading under this trend cloud to indicate a bearish trend. The second condition is to identify a shift in market trend from bearish to bullish. To do that, we're gonna let the market play out until a price candle breaks and closes above this trend cloud. This breakout above the trend cloud indicates a potential shift in market trend from bearish to bullish. The last condition is to use the average sentiment oscillator to confirm that the overall sentiment in the market is bullish. For that, we just make sure that this green plot is above the white line at the time of this breakout. All our entry conditions are met here, so we're gonna enter a long position. We're gonna set the stop loss somewhere inside the trend cloud. For the take profit, we're gonna go with 2 times the risk, letting the trade run. And as you can see, it hits take profit. One more long position. As you can see, the market was in a bearish trend. After some time, the price shifted and a candle broke and closed above the trend cloud, indicating a shift in market trend from bearish to bullish. We can also see that this green plot of the average sentiment oscillator closed above the white line, indicating the presence of enough bullish sentiment in the market to push the price in the direction of our trade. Because of all these conditions, we're gonna enter a long position. Now, at this point in time, I know you may be thinking,
But how do we take a short position?
well, we're basically gonna do the opposite of everything we did for the long positions. Let me explain. The first condition is to identify a bullish trend. For that, we're gonna be using the HL OTT indicator. We need the price to be trading above this trend cloud to indicate a bullish trend. The second condition is to identify a shift in market trend from bullish to bearish. To do that, we're gonna let the market play out until a candle breaks and closes below this trend cloud. This breakout indicates a potential shift in market trend from bullish to bearish. The last condition is to use the average sentiment oscillator to confirm that the overall sentiment in the market is bearish. For that, we just make sure that this green plot is below the white line at the time of this breakout. All our entry conditions are met on this candle, so we're gonna enter a short position here. We're gonna set the stop loss somewhere inside the trend cloud, and then for the take profit, we're gonna aim for 2 times the risk, letting the trade run and take profit. In summary, the high and low optimized trend tracker indicator is a powerful tool for identifying market trends, facilitating the execution of highly profitable trades by pinpointing shifts from bullish to bearish trends and vice versa. Now remember, the strategy presented in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. It's crucial to conduct your own backtesting and forward testing before applying these methods with real money. Well, that's basically it for this video. I hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Thanks for watching. See you next time.